Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll do a digital portrait on my laptop. This is my Windows laptop. This is actually two in one laptop, where this is the laptop and you can fold it to make it a like tab. Okay, this is Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and this is the pen that was supplied by the company, and I sometimes draw here and I use this IB Paint software to draw anything. This is my gallery and I have drawn many picture here, many portrait sketch here. It's a very good laptop to draw. Okay, and for drawing now I'll on the screen recording on, and first I have to search here snipping tool. Snipping tool is a tool in Windows 11 where you can record any screen recording is on. Okay, because when I will draw, I will not showing you the laptop, I will only show you the screen recording. Okay, so this is the video record, new tool, and I have to select the area which I have to record. I select this area, and in this area what I will draw, that will record. Okay, so I'll start recording. Let's count down and begin 1 2 3 and recording will start. Okay, so now the drawing will be shown in screen recording mode. Okay, so watch till the end, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. So I'm starting to draw. Okay, this is IB Paint, and here you will find the brushes. There are many brushes, many tools. This is a pencil tool that I am using now, and the lower 2 points are, first one is of thickness, second one is of opacity. So if you increase the opacity, that will increase. If you increase the size of the brush, that will increase. Okay, I'm drawing any arbitrary portrait like Lord Shiva. Watch till the end. It's a very good laptop and good software to draw. Fast and smooth. There is the brushes. This is the shading brush. This is shading brush using for shading. If you have any questions regarding the tablet or computer or software or drawing process, you can directly message me or you can comment on my video. I'll reply definitely. If you have any question regarding digital painting, please comment. I'll reply. You can use these tools for time pass sketching. Tablet is also good, like iPad.